Hello, I'm Andrew and this is
Violet.
my granddaughter. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Greek salad, which is also known in Greek as...
Horiatiki salata.
Well done. Okay, we'll start off with the ingredients. So you need a cucumber, any type of cucumber. We'll peel it because that's the way they do it in Greece typically. You need a capsicum or a pepper. You need a red onion, tomatoes, okay? Some people use the small cherry tomatoes, other people use the larger ones. We'll cut them down to small bite-sized pieces. You need your feta. The herbs, so you need dried oregano. Now this is salt and pepper, so you want to season it. A little bit of white wine vinegar. And finally the Kalamata olives. It's a must. I don't like them, but most people do. But we'll put them in. Okay, we'll get back in a sec as we start chopping up. Okay, so we're cutting the cucumbers, which is the final part of this preparation, and I'll just show you what else I've done. So the cucumbers, cut it in half, then chop them the way I've done here, so small bite size. The onion's been chopped, as you can see, so it's little pieces like that, which are going to get scattered through the salad. The capsicum's been chopped into little pieces like that. The tomato's been chopped into bite-sized pieces, so as you can see, they're very easy to eat. And we'll now put all the ingredients in the bowl and then give it a mix. So let's start off with the tomatoes. Okay, very good job. Capsicums. Okay, let me do this. So we're now doing the cucumber and the onion. Now, the secret to a very good Greek salad is having lots and lots of extra virgin olive oil. So I'll start off with the olive oil. A lot of people drown it in olive oil because once they finish eating the salad, you end up with those beautiful juices from the tomato mixing with that olive oil, and then you usually have a nice piece of bread and you dunk it in there. And that's like a meal on its own, but I'll start off with the olive oil. You have to be very, very liberal with it. You then put just a little bit of white vinegar, okay? Just a drizzle. That's white wine vinegar. Some salt and pepper. Okay. And the oregano. Now we're going to mix this up. And we'll put in a few of these olives. Okay. Now, you can give it a toss now. It's actually a lot of salad for a small bowl like this. But the flavors are going to be amazing. And the final part of this is getting this feta. And just like you see in a Greek restaurant, they usually put a nice piece of feta on top. Okay, as is. You get your oregano, sprinkle it on top, and then you drizzle it with some more olive oil. And what you find now is when people get this served to them, they break up the feta and they all go crazy. So that's it. It's very simple to make. It's beautiful, tasty. You ready to have some?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Enjoy and subscribe. Thank you.